Hi, this is Alice Bennett with eXp Realty, and I understand you are looking to move to Florida. Well, today I am touring a community in St. Augustine, just 10-15 minutes outside of Jacksonville. This beautiful new community is Marcus Grove, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that could be yours if you want to move in the next 30 to 90 days. So come take a tour with me. We are entering this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, premier fixtures in this new construction home. This is just one of many in this new development. Most of the homes are surrounded by a beautiful natural lake view. Oh, just look at the interior and finishes in this home. Beautiful plank flooring, stainless steel appliances. We have so many new construction homes we can show you with our team from eXp Realty. Upgraded features in the guest bathroom, oversized bedrooms, and all of the master bedrooms are with the wooden floors. Isn't this gorgeous? So wrapping up here with LGI Homes, many quick move-ins. You could be in these homes within 30 days. What a wonderful investment. Prices are starting at $389,000. That is an amazing, amazing move-in ready price. Contact me today. Just ask Alice, eXp Realty.